Welcome viewers, and please like, share, and subscribe. This video is for educational purposes only. Today, we delve into the realm of financial literacy, a crucial skill set often overlooked. As we journey towards the age of 30, it becomes increasingly vital to grasp certain money skills. By the end of this short video, you will have a clear understanding of the 6 money skills you should definitely know by 30. First and foremost, budgeting is a key skill to master. It's like the financial compass guiding us through the labyrinth of expenses. By tracking our income and expenses, we gain control over our spending habits, preventing those impulsive buys that can drain our wallets. Moreover, budgeting allows us to plan for future expenses, be it an unexpected car repair or that dream vacation. It's a powerful tool that helps us allocate funds for our necessities, savings, and even those well-deserved indulgences. So, remember, a sound budget is the first step towards financial stability. Secondly, understanding credit is crucial. Think of credit as your financial reputation. It's a measure lenders use to gauge your reliability in repaying debts. A good credit score can secure you lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you a significant amount of money in the long run. So, how do we maintain a healthy score? By making timely payments, minimizing debt, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries. Remember, your credit score can open or close doors for you. Keep it healthy. Thirdly, investing is a skill that can make your money work for you. It's the process of putting your money into assets that can potentially yield returns over time. One of the great powers of investing is the magic of compound interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow, growing larger and faster. That's how compound interest works. Your money grows not just from the initial amount you put in, but also from the returns that it earns over time. This is why starting to invest early is crucial. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, investing is not just for the rich. Everyone can and should invest. Fourthly, learning to manage your debt effectively is a valuable skill. Not all debt is created equal. Good debt, such as student loans or mortgages, can enhance your financial future. Bad debt, like credit card debt, can hold you back. Strategize your debt repayment. Prioritize high-interest debt and make regular payments. Beware of the snowball effect of letting debt accumulate. It can quickly become a mountain, making it harder to climb out of. Debt doesn't have to be a life sentence. With the right management, you can be debt-free. Fifthly, planning for retirement is a must. Imagine a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. That's the power of early retirement planning. It's like planting a tree today to enjoy its shade tomorrow. Employer-sponsored retirement plans are your secret allies in this journey. They're like little treasure chests growing over time. And let's not forget about compound interest, your silent partner in wealth creation. It's not magic, but it sure feels like it. The earlier you start planning for retirement, the better off you'll be. Lastly, understanding taxes can save you a lot of money. Taxes come in many forms, like income tax from your earnings, sales tax on goods and services, or property tax on your home. Grasping how these work is crucial. Why? Because it's not just about following the law. It's about spotting opportunities to maximize your hard-earned money. Understanding taxes isn't just about compliance, it's about making smart financial decisions. Now you know the 6 money skills you should definitely know by 30. We've covered budgeting, understanding credit, investing wisely, managing debt, planning for retirement, and understanding taxes. Remember, financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos.